Hi. Boy, I guess I'll stick in my video where I talk about how the government has not neglected any areas in St. Vincent, right? So today I want to talk about why slow is actually fast. So think about this. In 2001, we changed the wheel on the vehicle, right? Everything takes time. Slow is fast. Keep that in mind, yeah? Keep that in mind. So during the first storm, we put on one boat.
First, we educate the people.
The second storm, two boats.
Second, we connect our country to the world.
The third term, three boats.
Third, we build large job and opportunity creating hotels.
The fourth term, we put on the fourth one.
Fourth, we make sure that people are healthy with a modern hospital.
And the fifth term in 2020, we put on the last boat.
Fifth, we make it easier to move goods in and out with the modern port.
So now, the country is secured. This sixth term is when we're going to see a lot of action. This sixth term is when we're going to feel the effects and the security of the wheel that was properly bolted on to our vehicle. Remember, NDP will put on one bolt and go fast. But this is what happens when you do that.
Everybody!
The Original Labor Hag for the hottest news, stories, and comments on social media this election season.